Today I'm going to show you 15 steps to build an online website that makes you $1,000 a day in under 30 minutes using Shopify. When I first started e-commerce or trying to sell things online or just my entrepreneurship journey, I struggled so much. I started off making my website with WordPress and WooCommerce, and I would spend, I think it took me around a month or maybe even 2 months to just make my first website. Like just get like the products there and like add like colors to the products and like, you know, have like a cool image at the beginning. And it was just a massive waste of time because I finished those 2 months and then I didn't even know what to do after that. I didn't know how to get customers. Like the website it took 7 seconds to load on your phone, which means that like all the customers I did get, they just like, they couldn't even, they clicked the link, but they couldn't even get to the page. Like they left because it took so long to load. I made so many mistakes. And after building around like 30, 40 different e-commerce websites, I've kind of condensed down my knowledge into the things that you really like, that are the bare bones that you need to get a website up and running to make you money. I feel like this is actually the stuff that you need to know to get an online business working and making you money, and not wasting your time doing the other stuff that doesn't really matter. All right, step 1, go to shopify.com. Once you go to shopify.com, I want you to make an account, do the free trial so that you can get a 1 month for $1. Put all your details in, it's just $1 and get started. Once you do the free trial and you open your own shop, you'll be presented with this screen, which is really good because now you have a Shopify storefront and you can almost start selling things. Step 2, find something to sell. You need a product to sell. It can be anything, a service, but today we're gonna go with a product. I originally started with selling shoes, but recently I was on TikTok and I saw this product. It's called a Hydro Glock, and if you have a look at it, it's basically like a water gun. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it'd be a good idea to sell to people in America because it's a gun and it's a water gun because it's summer in America. So I thought there's like some synergies there. Checked it out. There's a lot of people doing it, which is actually a good thing. If a lot of people are selling the product, that means that the product is validated and people want to buy it. So you're not wasting your time with things that people don't want to buy, which is good. Then I'm gonna go to AliExpress and I'll see if I can find this product, find somewhere to buy from to sell it. As you can see, there's a bunch of people selling this, which is great. It doesn't have to be AliExpress. You can essentially find anywhere you want to sell your product from, but I chose AliExpress because it's 16 bucks for me to buy the product. I'll probably sell it for like 30 or 40. Great. Now, step 3, you need your shop to look pretty. Right now, if you go to online store on your Shopify, you can click remove password to get rid of the password. This is what your store looks like. It's kind of ugly. No one's gonna buy from you. So a lot of the professionals, they have customized themes, and sometimes these themes cost like 300, 400 bucks. Yeah, you could like edit this theme and like edit every little detail, but we're not about doing things the long way. We want to get things done fast and done really well. So what I've done is I use this theme called DEBUTIFY. It normally costs money, but I'm gonna link it in the description so you can just have it free and use it. This is what you do. You click add theme, you click upload zip file, and get the file that I've put in the description and upload it right here. It's called DEBUTIFY. You can get it from the website. They have a trial, but I have the one where you can have it free forever. It normally costs like 50 bucks a month or something if you want to use it. But this theme looks sexy and it'll get you sales. So once you upload your theme, it will start installing it like this. There you go. Now it's in, and you want to click publish. And now your theme is live. Now if you go back to view your store and click view your store, this is what your website looks like. It looks pretty sexy. Look at this. It looks so much better than this ugly ass website. You've got like a catalog, you've got the contact us page. It looks way more professional and someone that, like a website that people would actually want to buy from. Step 4, you want to link your domain. Now what a domain name is basically like this, like you want a website name. So think of a brand name that's sort of relevant to your product so people think it's legit. It is legit. So you want to go to settings, you click settings, and you want to scroll down and hit domains. And then you want to click connect existing domain if you've already bought one with like Google Domains or Namecheap or a domain name provider. I'd recommend buying one separately because if you buy with Shopify, then Shopify owns your domain and it's a little bit of a hassle to deal with. Like buy it from a domain name provider. I get mine from Google Domains. I think it's cheaper at Namecheap, but for me, it's easier because they're all stored in one place. So I chose for my brand that sells water guns. I'm gonna go with hydroglizzy.com because glizzy's like gun in America. Connect automatically. It'll come up with your Namecheap or whatever domain name provider that you're with. Click yes, connect, and you're in. Now, if you close this, it'll be doing like verifying stuff. Usually it's instant, but sometimes it can take a day or two. But basically now if you go to hydroglizzy.com, it'll take you towards your website. Okay, step 5, add your product. So you're obviously selling a product. In my case, I'm selling this water gun. So what you want to do is you want to go to products and then click add your product, and then just put in the title, images, and a little bit of a description. Now, I wouldn't spend too much time doing this by yourself. What I mean by this is there's people that are doing this that are winning, so you should use them for inspiration and borrow their ideas for a little bit. So I'm gonna go to maybe someone like this guy over here who's selling something similar and use his website as inspiration. Once you've added your product, then you want to go to online store and you actually want to make your product page look good. So your product page is like the actual page where your product is shown and where your visitors, your potential buyers are going to land, and you want to convince them to buy as much as you can. So you click customize, then you click products over here at the top, products, default product, and now you're at your product page, which is sick. You want to click this desktop icon and change it to mobile. And the reason you want to do this is because most people that buy are on mobile, so you want to optimize for them. So if you're going to be running ads on TikTok, or you're going to be running ads on Facebook or Google, wherever, you want to optimize for mobile. So you click mobile and look, it looks really, really nice, not gonna lie. Like the colors are aligned. It looks a lot more professional than the other website we just saw. And that's saying something considering we've only spent like 5 minutes on this using a pre-populated theme. So you wanna go down and see this area over here where it says this section currently does not include any content. You want to go ahead and add some stuff about your product. Ideally, what generally works is you want to click on add section, and then you want to add image with text. And what that does is it creates something like this, and you want to add 3 of these. So you want to do 3 different images with text that would like highlight the benefits of the product, and you want to bring out your copywriting skills and show what the product does for them. So while this is a water gun, we want to emphasize the fact that this water gun will make you look cool, and you'll get like lots of validation from your friends, and everyone will love you because you have a cool water gun. Yeah, so let me do this real quick. Alright, now that you've done that, your page looks a little bit like this. You got your Hydro Glock or Hydro Glizzy or whatever your product is that you want to sell. It looks really nice. You've added in your price that you want to sell it at and the sale price as to what it was sold at. You've got like the variant selected, you got the add to cart, the Steam adds in a bunch of social proof, like you've got heaps of social media followings. It makes your website looks really, really good. You want to go ahead and get rid of this section over there. Now you've gotten 3 different images with text. I've uploaded GIFs because they look like videos, but they don't take up as much time to load. So if you can find GIFs, that's really, really helpful. And when you scroll down on your phone and you click on the product, look, it looks pretty legit. Like you're seeing a lot of stuff going on. This looks like a legit landing page for a legit website with a legit product that you would spend legit money on. And we're only like a couple, like 5-10 minutes in. Now what you want to do is just edit like the little details, like change the snuggly sets to whatever your product name is, and get rid of anything like that, like you don't want your email on there. You don't want like a short sentence describing what someone will say. Just fix up like the little things. I'm just gonna get rid of it just for the sake of hit save, and your page is pretty sexy, ready to go. You've got like a really good working environment. Alright, step 6, this is going to make your website look even more legit. I'm going to show you how to add a track your order page. So you can go to the website and click track your order, and everyone thinks like you have this whole system you have so many orders going out, and you can and it actually works. So you want to go to pages back on your home page, and then you want to click add page. You're going to call the page track your order. And once you've named it track your order, what you want to do is click on this show HTML thing, and this brings up the HTML editor as like what your page is coded in. And all you got to do is copy and paste this piece of code that I put in the description. Just copy and paste it, and then over here you just want to change support@yourstorename.com to support at whatever your product name is. So I'm going to go with hydroglizzy.com. Ideally it's the same as your URL. So I'm hydroglizzy.com, so my email is going to be that. Yours should be whatever your product name is .com. So you want to hit then save, and then what you want to do is you want to go to navigation down here, and you want to edit the main menu. So the main menu is the thing that pops up, and you want to add this page to the main menu. So you hit main menu. You want to get rid of catalog because we're only selling 1 product on our store. So you want to get rid of that. You want to add track your order. You click down here, you click pages, and then you click the track your order page we just made. And you click add. And then you also want to add the page of the product you made, so that rather than people going to all your products and then clicking the one and seeing you only sell 1 product, you want to click add menu item, name it the name of your product. So in this case, I'm going to go with Hydro Glizzy, and then you want to click on products, and then the name of your product. So that way people can just click directly into your product without trying to see everything else that you sell, because you're only trying to sell them your product. A lot of people waste a lot of time doing things that don't make them money. You want to do the things that make you the most amount of money. You want to do the actions that have the highest return on investment with your time. You want the most leveraged things. These are the highest leveraged actions you can do when building out an e-commerce store. You know what's not going to make you money? Spending 3 days or 3 months paying someone to make you a logo. You can make a logo instantly with websites called Namelicks, or that's not going to make you money, so don't do it. Then you want to hit add. Sorry for the rant. And just order them in like order of, you want to go home, product, track your order, and then contact us page. And then you hit save menu. Now check this out. You go back to your store. So you go to online store and then you hit view your store. So you want to go back to this home page and then you want to click customize. And then you click on, you're back to your main menu. You click on the header or like this, the menu, and look at that. You got home, you got Hydro Glizzy. When you click it, it goes to your product, which is pretty sick. So you can scroll down and see your product page that you just made. And then you can click the menu again. And then you click the track your order page. You click that and boom. There's a little page that says, please enter your tracking number. And if it doesn't work, then contact us at support@hydroglizzy.com. And guess what? The way this code is built is that this code, you put in the tracking number and it actually goes to 17track.com, which is the world's biggest tracking logistics provider platform that actually tracks all orders internationally from any logistics provider and gets the data and brings it back and displays it here, which means that this is a legit functioning track your order page for your website. Pretty sick. All right, step 7, add free shipping. So what you want to go is, the reason you want to add free shipping is because it's statistically speaking, if you have a free shipping discount code, people are more likely to purchase. So you want to do everything to increase your conversion rate. We'll go into conversion rate optimization in another video as to how to get more people to buy your things. But this is just about setting up the bare bones. So right now what you want to do is you want to go into discounts, Shopify. You want to click create discount, free shipping, and then add a discount code. I always use free ship and then click save. That's it. And then what you can do is you can just go and like put in like your header, use code free ship for free shipping discount. I can't tell you how long this took me to do in WordPress and WooCommerce. It took me like 3 days to try and get this up and running to add a free shipping discount code. And you can do this in like seconds with Shopify, which is pretty sick. All right, step 8. Make a logo. Don't spend too much time making a logo. Look up AI logo generator. Go to this one. Go to Brandmark. Brandmark.io is pretty famous. Click create my logo. Put in brand name Hydro Glizzy. That's it. And then water gun. Simple. The truth is, having a unique or better logo isn't going to make you more money. You just got to like pass a certain bar as to how not ugly it looks. Just go through them. Just pick one that you like. Like honestly, I don't like the font on that. But I'm sure you can just edit this to change the font to like that. Boom. That's your logo. To change the color, you can literally just click this and then screenshot. There's your logo. Go start making some money. So what you want to do is you want to go to your website and then you want to go to click this. The header. This is the logo area. You want to go add your logo in both the default and mobile. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that. Add it there and you add it here. Boom, you now have a logo that's working on your website. You make it a little bigger if you want to. And then you hit save. How sick is that? Now, next thing you want to do is quickly, you want to go to your product and then you want to add it to cart. And you want to see what the checkout looks like. So when someone buys your product, you don't want it to look ugly. So you click it and then you click checkout. Look how nice this looks, by the way. This is a great theme. Definitely recommend. So you click checkout and then you can see it looks pretty ugly right now. It says my store. That's not you. You're not my store. You have a brand. So what you do is you click this button over here, theme settings. You scroll down to checkout and then you upload your logo and that's over here. To click this, chuck your logo in and all of a sudden someone gets to your checkout page and they're about to buy from you, and instead of seeing some dodgy ass my store, they actually see your logo. You can make this a little bigger. It glitches out with Shopify for some reason. Size large. Save. I'm sure once you refresh it, it actually looks decent. Once you've hit this and you've clicked large, it shows like that, but it doesn't actually look like that. You can go back. The last thing you want to do is just change up this main page a little bit. Just get rid of like the sneap and the collab, the snuggly, and just add like a background image over here. We'll do this real quick. And one thing you also want to add is click add section and then just add a featured product. So if you show more, featured product, and then you can just click on the product and select it as your one, so that if people do end up going to the main page, they can get redirected back to your product site. Then you click hit save, and boom, now you've got a fully functioning e-commerce store that looks really sexy, and you've spent like 10-15 minutes on it instead of spending 2 months on it. And now you can start testing it and seeing if it'll actually make you money. And if it doesn't, all good, you test it with a new product, and your new product, and your new product, and you keep repeating until you make money. If you made it this far, congratulations, because you've basically set up an online business that's ready to start making money. This is more than what people normally do, and in all honesty, if you followed these steps and used this theme and done like the same little GIF image stuff, I'm sure your website looks really good. Step 9, go to the Shopify App Store, so click apps, and then look up Vitals. Vitals is this sick Shopify app. It costs $30 a month, but it has a month free trial. It says 7 days, but you can extend it to a month. And it basically does everything you could ever want it to do. It records people that go onto your website, and it basically tells you what they're doing and when they're doing it, so you can see if something's going wrong on your website. There's been so many times in my life where I've built a website and I've been running ads. I'm not making any money, but because I enabled this thing that lets me see how people interact with my website, I realized, holy shit, there's no add to cart button. People want to buy, but they can't even add to cart. And like, this will save you so much money in the long run. Go ahead, install this app, do yourself a favor. And not only does it have visitor replays and like being able to see what people do on your website, you can add like product bundles, you can add timers, you can add upsells, you can add like bars saying you only have a certain amount of products left. This will basically get people to give you more money. You want to go ahead and enable all of these visitor replays, product reviews, upsells, and whatnot. Click the buttons, go to enable in theme editor, it'll take you over here. Go ahead and turn it on, save, and that's it. Now you can go ahead and like upload product reviews to your product to make it look like you have lots of reviews. You want to go ahead and then click import reviews from AliExpress, select your product, and then you want to go get the link of the product. So I'm going to go with this one because it has 3,000 people have sold it. I mean, this has 3,000 sales, and it's got a bunch of reviews with images in them. Look at that, wow. In appearance, a child of skin. These are just Chinese translations. They don't normally go as planned, but you want to click like 100 reviews to import, and then import reviews. Now they're being imported. Cool. Now if you go ahead and have a look, once they're imported, you go to your site, click Hydro Glizzy, scroll down, and look at that. You now have 100 reviews, 4.79 star. They've got images as well, so imagine if someone lands on this page, they'd be pretty ready to get their money and their credit card out to give it to you. Alright, congratulations, your website's ready to go. Step 10, find TikToks or creatives that you want to use as ads. So go to TikTok, look at the product that you're trying to sell. I'm going to go with Hydroglock. Look. Sick. Great video. I like it. Look, sick video, I love it. People like it, it's got 750 likes. Now what you want to do is you want to use these videos as inspiration. But what I mean by inspiration is borrow them for a little bit. So you want to download them, you click right click download video. Then you want to go to this website called CapCut. CapCut is like TikTok, except it's not really TikTok. It's like you can edit the videos. So you go ahead and you can like upload the videos onto this and then change them around. I'm going to be right back and show you what I get up to. All right, so now I just quickly made this video. See that little thing I added at the beginning there? It's called a hook. It's a scroll stopper. So people are scrolling and they stop to look at the video because of something silly. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you get people to stop scrolling and look at what you have to show to them. Sick, your video's ready. Now what you want to do is you want to go to tiktokads.com and make a TikTok ads account. It's not that hard, trust me. Everything is really, really easy. So go to ads.tiktok.com and then you want to click create an account. Right now I'm already logged in. You go home, click create an account, and what you want to do is you want to use a VPN. So I use this VPN called Hotspot Shield. You open it up and it looks like this. It's free, and what you can do is you can pretend like you're in America. If you're already in America, no problems, because you want to ideally be targeting the American market, but you want to click turn it on. No, I don't want proceed with ads and limits. Turn it on, and now everyone thinks you're in America, including TikTok. And then you go and make a TikTok ads account. Use an American phone number. They don't check your phone number, so just put in any American phone number. And then you're going to be prompted with a page like this. Sick. Then what you want to do is you want to click create an ad. You want to click simplified mode. You want to click website conversions. Click continue. Now that you're here, step 14, you want to go to your store and you want to get the TikTok app as well. So go ahead, click TikTok, and you want to download this app. This is a legit TikTok app. The reason you want to get this app is so that you can install a TikTok pixel. What a TikTok pixel is basically it tells you that which people on TikTok are more likely to buy your stuff. So TikTok can track, like people coming from TikTok to your website and then see which ones are the most likely to buy. So you want to go ahead and install this, and then you want to click set up now. So you want to click connect your TikTok business account. This is the one that you just made like 5 seconds ago. If you just logged in, then it would still be here. You just click connect. Sick, now it's linked. You want to create new TikTok business account, sign up, connect. Boom, it's set up. Now you want to, when you get to this data sharing page, click maximum. You want to give them all your data so they can give you all their money. Look at that, TikTok pixel for Shopify. It's done, click confirm. Quick, easy as that. All right, and then you want to click set up. Then you hit confirm and click finish setup. Boom, now your store is linked with TikTok. Then you want to go to advertising. You want to click automatic audience in America, click continue. Then you want to go and select your TikTok pixel, and then you want to select to track the event conversion. So that's complete payment because you want people to buy from you. So you click this, daily budget, however much you want to spend, continue, create ad. Now you've already created the ad. So then you want to go and upload the video, which is upload this video, and you want to hit quick optimize once it uploads. And then you want to just select them all and then click confirm. Sick, and then you want to just like change the text and everything and change your profile image and then submit it. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning website that can make you over $1,000 a day if you wanted to. You can run ads to this through TikTok. You can make organic TikToks. You can like just post a link anywhere on Reddit, on Twitter, on Facebook. You can run Facebook ads. You can run Pinterest ads. You can run Snapchat ads. You can make a billboard, do whatever you want. But now you have a website that you've made with 15 steps under half an hour that can generate you almost any income that you want. I really wish someone had showed this to me when I was a bit younger, because I went through so much going through and like making, ugly sites on WordPress and ugly sites on Squarespace and trying to figure out how to sell things. But I think this was the most helpful and effective way for me to go ahead and build a money-making machine. I hope this helped you. If you want access to the track your page code, that's also free, it's in the description. If you want more tips like these as to how you can make money online, subscribe to my newsletter. I send out things that might not be able to be let out on YouTube. That's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.